Hey there, dreamers. Have you ever felt like life could be so much more? Like there's a version of yourself that is just waiting to break free? Well, in today's video, we are going to dive in 5 ways to manifest your dream life. Whether you're new to manifestation or you're fine-tuning your ways to practice, we're going to change the way you think about creating your future. So you're asking, what is manifestation? Well, simply put, manifestation is the process of you taking your desires and your wants and making them the reality. Think of your mind like a magnet. When you focus on something, good or bad, you start to attract those similar feelings and experiences that match those thoughts. For example, have you ever woken up in a bad mood and then it seemed like your whole day just spiraled down? Those are your thoughts in action. But here's the good news. It also works in the other way too. Manifestation is all about tuning into your wants versus what you don't. So let's dive into how you can make this happen. Step number 1, clarity and alignment. You need to know what you're manifesting and what you want. You cannot manifest something that you have no idea or no clue in what you want. So you need to take some time and define your dream life. Here's how you can do that. Journal it out. Write your goals down in as much detail as possible. What does your ideal day look like? What kind of job do you have? Where are you living? Be specific. You could also create a vision board. Create a vision board of the representation of your dream life. Grab some magazines or print some stuff off the internet. Creating a vision board helps you keep your visions in sight. But here's the catch. Your dreams and your visions have to align with your values. If you're trying to chase or manifest something that does not feel authentic to you, you're going to struggle really hard to manifest that. All right, step 2 is positive affirmations and visualizations. So once you guys know what you guys want and you guys have it written down and you guys can visualize it, it is time to rewire your mind. So what are positive affirmations? Positive affirmations are short statements that help rewire your mind and shifts you into a different mindset. So an example would be, I am worthy of success and happiness. Opportunities flow to me effortlessly. Or, I'm living my dream life. If you repeat these daily, preferably in the morning or before bed, you say them out loud and with confidence. Even if it feels awkward at first, you'll be on your way to shifting your mindset, which will then help you with your manifestation goals. The second part of this now is visualization. So now what I want you to do is to close your eyes and dream as if you already have it. The more vivid you make this practice, the stronger energy you'll be sending out. Step 3, taking action and embracing opportunities. So here's the thing, manifestation is not magic. You actually have to meet the universe halfway. Even small steps count. So you want a new job? Well, the action in that would be you need to start uploading resumes to different sites. Dream of financial freedom? Research side hustles or investment opportunities. Embrace the opportunities. Stay open to unexpected paths. Sometimes what you were looking for shows up in different, unanticipated ways. Trust the process and be ready to pivot if needed. Step 4, gratitude and belief. Gratitude is like rocket fuel for manifestations. When you focus on things that you already have, you're signaling the universe that you are ready for more. So what I want you to do is do a daily gratitude practice. Every day, write down 3 things that you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Even a great cup of coffee works. Believe in yourself. You need to truly believe that you are capable of manifesting your dream life and your dreams. Doubt creates resistance, so remind yourself, you are worthy and deserving. Step number 5 is letting go and trusting the process. This means releasing the control on how this is going to happen. You have to trust that the universe has your back. Focus on the feelings of already having achieved the dream life that you've already wanted. And don't obsess over the outcome or the timeline. Sometimes the best things happen to us when we least expect it. Okay, so there you guys have it. The 5 ways to manifest your dream life. Which of these steps are you guys excited to try out first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Remember, you guys have the power to create the lives that you want.